Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Project Zomboid not launching. First, try verifying the game files in Steam. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click Project Zomboid, select Properties, then go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. If any files are missing or corrupted, Steam will automatically download the correct versions, which often fixes launch problems. Next, update your graphics drivers. Outdated GPU drivers can prevent the game from launching properly. Open your GPU control panel and check to see if there are any driver updates available. Then download and install it. Another common fix is disabling overlays in background apps. In Steam, right-click the game, open Properties, and on the General tab, uncheck Enable Steam Overlay while in-game. Some overlays in background programs can interfere with the game's launch process. You can also try running the game as administrator. Go to your Steam folder, open Steam Apps, Common, Project Zomboid, then right-click Project Zomboid 64.exe. Choose Properties, and enable Run this program as administrator under the Compatibility tab. If the problem still happens, make sure your system components like DirectX and Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables are installed or updated, since the game relies on those libraries to start properly. And that's how you fix Project Zomboid not launching. Thanks for watching.